Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing. So I just went ahead and, ordered the Canon G7x Mark II. I got this camera from Walmart. But before I get started talking about everything that I received in this package, make sure you subscribe to my channel, obviously, and follow me on Instagram. I'll have my name somewhere on the screen. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the camera I got from walmart.com. The camera was $501. Then I added a protection plan for $58, bringing my total after tax and stuff to like $599, I think it was, almost $600. And the camera comes with a lot of stuff, so I am gonna show you. But like I said, I got the Canon what is this, bitch? Canon PowerShot G7x Mark II. And I want to thank the IRS for their, contributions to this purchase. Anyway, so let's just start with what the bundle comes with, and I will link the camera down below. Now, I don't know if they're still selling them on Walmart because I think last time I checked they were out of stock, but Amazon has a bundle similar, so I'll link that one down below too. Okay, so I'm gonna start by showing you guys the accessories that come with the bundle first, and then I'll get into the camera and I'll do like a side-by-side comparison. Just for reference though, I do film with my iPhone 11, so I will show you guys the different qualities, the quality difference in front of studio lights and then in front of natural lights. But anyway, so the first thing that it comes with is this little camera case, which is that it's a little big compared to the camera, but I'll show you guys. Little camera case. It also comes with this little turkey baster thing. It's a dust cleaner blower. I don't know. It looks like a turkey baster to me, but I don't know what this does. I guess it just, I don't know. Looks like those things that you put a looks like one of those things that you put up a baby's nose to get the snot out, but whatever. So there's this little thing. And then it comes with, where's it at? Kind of just threw everything over here. It comes with 2 SIM cards. They are 16 gigabytes. I will have to order more because I don't think 16 will be enough. But it comes with 2, and these are the SanDisk SD cards. I don't know. Do they make multiple brands? SanDisk. Is that what SD stands for? Anyway, yeah, you get 2 of these. And then it also comes with a little flash drive. I think this is a flash drive. Or I sound stupid if it's not. Yo. Ooh, when I blew the dust from when I blew the air from the turkey baster, like made me choke. Anyway, so yeah, a flash drive. Oh wait, how do I put this on? I'm not tech savvy, you guys. And then it comes with a little SD card holders, 6 of them. It comes with this little kit. I don't really know what's in the kit. I didn't open it. I wanted to open it on camera. How do you open it? Oh, hold on. Okay, so in the kit it has, a little tripod, I think. Like it's really tiny tripod. It comes with, I think this is lens cleaner, Q-tips, and a lens cloth to clean your lens. I think there's something else. I don't know. This thing, a protector. What is this? A screen protector. I don't know. It looks like paper, but whatever. So that's what comes in that. Let's see what else came with the kit. I think that's it. Make sure I'm not missing anything. Oh, it also came with, I don't know what this is. This thing right here. I honestly don't know what any of this stuff is. I'll link it below and you can read the description because I don't know. I think it's cleaner. Oh yeah, lens cleaner. More lens cleaner, I think it is. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what it came with. And then it came with a tripod. Oh. I thought it would come with like one of those like small tripods for vlogging, but I'll have to buy one because I don't have one of those. But it comes with a full-size tripod if you need one. All right, so moving on to the camera. Like I said, I already opened the box, So the camera comes with the little string that you can attach to the camera, which I won't be using. It comes with the battery, the charger, I believe this is, or the battery charger. I didn't read the directions, honey, but it does come with directions, okay? And then I think this is a charger too. I don't know. I didn't read the directions yet, you guys. I'm not used to this. And then it comes with the camera. So this is what it looks like. It's a little bit heavier than I thought, but it's cool. It has the little flip screen, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and, ooh guys, I really feel like I'm a pregnant lady because the way I'm out of breath, whew, I promise I don't have to run up, but like, damn, I'm out of breath. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put in the battery, and then I'm gonna do like a side-by-side comparison, so hold on. Okay, so this is the difference between the two. This one is the iPhone 11, and then this one is the Canon. So this is in front of studio lighting. This is the difference that you guys see. And then I'm gonna do natural lighting, but it's not really super bright outside, so you're not gonna be able to tell that much, but let's go and see. Yeah, it's not very light, but this is the difference with natural lighting. Okay, so that is the difference in studio lighting and natural lighting. Honestly, I'm really happy with the camera. I think the quality is really great. It's really smooth. Not that the iPhone quality is bad, but sometimes you kind of have like that graininess in the background, and I don't know. I'm a stickler for quality, and I really like the camera. The quality, top notch, and I hope this will make editing easier so I can just take the SIM card out and put it in my laptop instead of trying to airdrop. But yeah, I'm really happy with my purchase. I think for $600, it's not that bad. I mean, there's camera lenses that go for that price, so for a starter camera for YouTube, I highly recommend. Hopefully it's easy to use, I'm hoping. But yeah, that is pretty much that. So as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. You already know. Where's my voice? What's that? Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, all this, you know what to do. And as always, I will see you in my next video.